Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can redo actions in your designs and files on Figma. So let us get started and show you how to make that happen. So let me head over to that design here in Figma for demonstration purposes. And for the sake of this tutorial, let me copy that design by pressing Ctrl C and by pressing Ctrl V. So now we have a copy of that. So now let's assume you'd like to undo the last action by pressing Ctrl Z. So let me do that really quickly. That is going to undo the last action, and you can undo the undoing, which is basically redoing, by using the shortcut Ctrl Y. It is Ctrl Y on your keyboard that is going to undo the undoing, and yeah, it would be Command Y on your Mac. So again, let me delete that and press Ctrl Y just like that to bring it back, the undoing, or undo the undoing. Pretty complicated, but it's actually Ctrl Y to redo the last action or undoing in your Figma design. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.